There you go. Can't get enough of a good thing, can you, really? There you go. Any more for the next train? 2 or 3 seats left in first class. No, can't tempt you.
Oh, he's not looking.
It's all first class, fully air conditioned. Right. Oh, smelly feet.
Smelly feet. That's smelly feet.
Oh, I think Papa's going to see us.
Yeah,
Try and get round to over there.
it goes down that way. Did it? Goes on the turntable.
Look, they have old notices.
Okay,
Then your face.
welcome. Good afternoon. Just need to say a few things, please. If you can keep your arms and legs inside the train when we're going around, please. If you keep sitting down until we get back to the station. Grown-ups, if you can mind your heads when you're getting out of the train, or jumping up and down with excitement. Yep, just like that, madam. Yes. Getting too excited far too soon. They just get exciting because there are 6 little owls to spot as we go around. 6 little owls. The first one's just on the trucks outside the station there. Who can tell me what noise an owl makes?
Chicken nuggets.
So when you see an owl, we like to shout out to it to woo. Okay? We'll have another quick practice. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. That was good. Very good. But not quite good enough to wake up a sleepy owl. We'll have to try again. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Chicken
Yeah, that's good enough. You're probably the best train of the day so far today. Okay, just a reminder also, if you're stroking or feeding any of the real animals up the hill, please do wash your hands afterwards. In the meantime, all aboard! Let's go owl spotting! Again.
How are you enjoying your aircon?
Yeah. Don't fall asleep here.
Great. There are the aircon boxes under there.
There's a duck. There's a duck in the train. There's a crocodile.
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah. Which who? Why isn't it your? Yeah.
Chicken nuggets. Hey.
Keep your arms and legs inside the train.
Keep your arms and legs. Keep your arms and legs inside the train. Oh, there he is over there. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets every single time. Right there. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets right there. Where's me nan? Oh. Where's me nan? Oh, me nan's gone. Nan's ditched me. Chilling with your aircon. It's so hard, but you can almost touch it. Touch it. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nugget vlogs for YouTube.
Chicken nugget climb Mount Fuji.
Yeah. Wheels. Always good to have wheels. An old man. Always good to have an old man.
There's a haze though, is that a massive?
Water.
Got him.
More water.
To it.
Barrels.
Yeah.
Another chicken nugget right there. For more chicken nuggets. Arms and legs and sides of the cabin.
Don't stand up.
You're ready to go to the top.
Oh, that's the ticket that we saw before.
I can jump to there.
Cold.
River. Oh, very, very windy this aircon.
Yes. Turn the aircon down.
Let's get this chicken nugget on camera. Chicken nugget right there. Got like 10 minutes, haven't we?
10 minutes and then we'll go.
Tramps for 10 minutes. Again, capture everyone's number plates. It's always good. Please take a screenshot of every number plate you see. It's a good job we parked this bit, our car behind the bush, isn't it? Really.
Stop fish. Play that back to the man in a minute. Show him.
Yeah. Track right there. Almost out of time. It's like 9 minutes and 21 seconds. That's it. Comment, like, and subscribe.
Just a reminder about banging your head on the roof.